Moses Franklin. My job title is I'm a trainer, independent contractor from Pensacola, Florida. I've done a lot of different jobs, warehouse work, remodel homes, tile work. I did all kinds of work. I got my first 1,000,000 miles, so that's a big stepping stone here, Steve. It makes me feel like I accomplished something. I mean, I've seen a lot of people on that wall, and to see my name on that wall now, it's just, it makes you want to just bust out and cry. But I mean, it's a big, it's a big accomplishment for me. It really is. My biggest advice is just stick with it. I mean, it's gonna be ups and downs, but I mean, that's with anything you do. My family first, God, special big ups for my father that actually drove trucks and had me behind that wheel. I mean, just the people here that supported me and has been and then stuck behind me this whole time. Oh man, just seeing different cities, different states, meeting different people, getting to know different people, just building that rapport. Oh, I love Oregon. Oregon's a beautiful, beautiful state. Beautiful state during the snow, but I like to drive in the summer. Not too much, but Oregon is a beautiful state. It's a family. I mean, just to sum that up in one word, it's a family. If you want to be an independent contractor, come to the Independent Contractor Workshop. It's every Thursday at 11:30 a.m. in the VDPD room. We will see you there now.